welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Christmas 2025 haul. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so before all these videos, I always say I'm super thankful for everything I got. I've been doing this every year since I've been on YouTube, since 2016, so this is kind of like a tradition for my channel. And I hope you all had a great Christmas and a happy holidays. So let's get right into the Christmas 2025 haul. Starting off with my big present from my mom, I got this beautiful Coach bag. I love it so much. I then got this Cloud perfume by Ariana Grande. It's Cloud Pink. In some beauty related items, I got this Beauty Creations makeup brushes, these lip glosses, and then this lipstick set, which is so pretty. Very excited to try these out. Moving on to toys, I got this Bratz Chloe doll. She is so pretty. I'm definitely going to take her out of the box and display her. I got this Monster High Cleo set. It's like her beauty room, which is so cool. I did ask for these. I got these Littlest Pet Shops play sets. This one is like the disco night one. And then we have the bath set, which is so cute. I love the doggies and the cats in this. This is probably one of my favorite play sets I got. This is the Office Polly Pocket play set. It's so cute. It has the actual office inside from the show. It's adorable. Very excited to display this. I got these Fortnite Legos. This is the Durr Burger play set. So cute. I got a guitar amp for my electric guitar over there. My other one broke, so this is a great addition to have. I got this like mat for my computer desk. It's really cute. It's like this Hello Kitty design. I needed a new one. My other one was stained. My mom also got me a brand new like huge oversized winter coat, which I've been needing. It like goes all the way down to my knees, which is perfect for this snowy season coming up. I got a new beach waver crimper for my hair. It's pink. It's gonna be great to use. I then got this really nice fluffy blanket as well as that pink one right over there. Super cute. It's cheetah and heart print. I got a new toothbrush. I asked for some books for Christmas for my mom, so I got The Housemaid, Better Than the Movies, and Nothing Like the Movies. I got this huge slime play set. I'm so excited to do a video on this. This is so cool. I can't wait to show this in a YouTube video. I also got these Hello Kitty socks for my mom, which I love the design on these so much. They are so cute. Lastly, for my mom, I got these like fidget ball things. These are super cool. They're like magnetic and they're like quiet, so I'm definitely gonna bring these to school and stuff. They're like a great fidget toy to just carry around. Moving on to what my boyfriend got me, he got me this really pretty Coach bag. This is the Ashton shoulder bag. It's beautiful. It's kind of like the first bag I showed in this video, so those are my top two bags I wanted for Christmas. He then got me this K-Alley perfume in Yum Marshmallow. It smells so good. I highly recommend this perfume. Now for my boyfriend's parents, they got me so much candy. Like, they always go crazy with candy every year, which I love. And then they got me a Ulta gift card, which was so kind. From my twin sister, Sarah, she got me this really cute Dash Into hoodie. I love it so much. I'm so excited to wear it. She also got me this Hello Kitty cup, this wicked little pencil case, which I love, and then this brow gel for my eyebrows. My friend Serena, she got me a bunch of like beauty products, nails, lip gloss. She also got me this really cute little gingerbread candle, which smells so good. For gift cards, I got a gift card for my brother Colby, which is in my bag right now. My brother Josh got me a Dunkin' gift card. And then my friend Braxton got me a Roblox gift card, which I love. We'll be using this. But that was everything I got for Christmas. I am so thankful for everything. My favorite thing definitely has to be this Coach bag and this Coach bag right here. I love Coach bags, and having these in my collection is awesome, and I'm so thankful I have them. But Christmas is a time to spend with your friends and family. I love giving gifts. It's one of my favorite things to do, and getting all these gifts was awesome and great, and I'm so beyond thankful. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay tuned for some brand new No Glue Slime videos that will be coming up this week and into the new year as well, which I'm so excited to bring to you guys. But yeah, I love you all so much. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much in peace. Remember, thumbs up for new videos. Bye!